Welcome to Artistic Design. At the end of this video, students will get knowledge about how to manage with objects using CorelDRAW. We will see all these topics one by one. First, let us see how to copy, cut and paste objects. For this, let us open a new page. And select a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle object. Next, we choose Edit menu. Under that, choose submenu Copy, or a shortcut key is Ctrl C. Copy and go to Edit and Paste. So you get the same copy of the rectangle object. Next, I will choose the same object using the Pick tool and go to Edit and select Cut. That particular object is removed from the drawing page. I select this object, go to Edit, Copy, go to Edit, Paste. I get a copy of the same object. So this can be applied for any object set on the drawing page. Next, we will move to the next topic, duplicate and objects. For this, we will go to the same topic, same rectangle object, go to Edit, select Duplicate. So I get the same copy of the same object. Next topic is exploring the object style stalker. Under this topic, we will go to Windows, under Windows, go to Dockers, choose Object Styles or Ctrl F5. To right hand side, you get Object Styles. Under Styles, click plus button. This is used to create a new style of the selected object. Once I click the plus symbol, the following options appear: outline, fill, transparency and so on. Let us first see outline. Just choose that particular option. This appears. I choose any size of the outline, that is 2 points, and select a color, yellow color, and apply that to the selected image. So that is applied here to this object. Similarly, I go to the styles, I go to fill option and choose any one of the fill. I am choosing uniform fill and choose any color, let us say blue color. Some shades of blue color is chosen and apply to the selected object. So object is filled with the dark blue color. Next, we will move to the next topic, how to copy the properties of an object. For this, we will go to the same page. We will draw another object. Let me draw a star. Just draw a star. Now, what I am going to do is, I am going to choose the properties, that is the color of this object. For that, I have to go to the color eyedropper tool. You can see in the toolbar, you can see a tool, that is color eyedropper tool. Under that, I will choose the color. So what I'm going to do is, I am going to choose this yellow color of this particular object and I am going to apply it to this particular object. So the color, this particular object star has been filled with yellow color. I can also choose some other color. Let us say I will be choosing this particular dark blue and applying it to this particular star. For that, I can also use this option. See in the menu bar, I can choose one more color. That is, I can choose this color. So automatically you can see the selected color is set, and I can apply to the star. So automatically it is being applied. The same thing can be done. That is, I can go for attributes eyedropper. What this will do is, you can choose the attributes of this object. That is, the attribute is, the property of this object is outline is filled with yellow color and the object is filled with a dark blue color. First I choose its attribute. That can also be seen over here. The properties, the outline can be chosen. The outline and the full property is chosen and can be applied to this particular. Select this object by using the pick tool and right click, go to object style, apply style. So if you want to apply the fill, I can choose this. If I want to apply the outline, I can choose this. So this particular object of attributes has been applied to this object. Next we will move on to the next topic. How to transform the objects. For this, I will create a new drawing page. I will open a new drawing page. And then choose a complex star from this toolbar, complex star. Draw this complex star. Next, I'll just select this tool and scale this object. For this, I go to Windows, Docus, Transformation, Scale. Choose Scale and Mirror. I just see the setting given here. Suppose you have 2 copies, apply. So I get 2 copies. I get 2 copies of the same image. I can also set its colors. I can also set its X-pin, X and Y can be set and can be applied on the object. And it's 2 copies. I can make more copies of the same object. Because it is proportional, the size increases since it is set to proportional. Next, let me go to a new drawing page. I'm going to draw a rectangle. And I can rotate this rectangle. For this, go to Windows, Docus, Transformation, Rotate. Can give some rotation. Make it 90 degrees. And copies, let me set to 2. 2 is enough. And just say apply. So I get the copy, that is, this is rotated by an angle of 90 degrees and it is set. relative to the distance. See, I can move this anyway. Since it is relative distance, this was set from the center. The angle of rotation was set. Even this, once again I can rotate it to some, one more, if I say 90 degree, it will be rotated like this. Since I given 2 copies, you have 2 copies will be set. See, 2 copies. That rectangle will be set. Next, this particular rectangle 2 can be set. Can set the size, or we can skew it. This particular thing can be skewed to some angle. So you can set the size 35 and apply. So this is skewed in this direction. Let's say copies, if I set it to copy 1, I get 1 more copy. See this. You can apply is relatively the angle will be set. The number of copies can be set. If I set here 10, if I set get number of copies, you can see lot of number of copies. Next topic is grouping objects. For this, we will move to this particular page where I can group this image, and this image. These 3 images I want to group. Let me enter the size. These 3 images I can group. For this, just select all this object by just clicking shift key and the mouse key, move simultaneously. So all these 3 objects will be selected. Right click it and say group objects. For this you can also say Ctrl G. The object is grouped. So you can move this simultaneously. Again position, all the 3 objects will move together. You can also ungroup these objects by just clicking ungroup objects, ungroup all objects. So all these objects will automatically ungroup. Say group, all these objects will be grouped. Suppose I want to add this particular object to this group. For this I have to go to Windows, Dockers, Object Manager. Here I can see this rectangle. I just have to choose it, select it and move to this group. Finally, all these 4 objects will be set as a group. So just to move this, using a pick tool, just move this object. All these objects will move together. So go to Windows, go to Dockers, Object Manager. Go to Dockers, Windows, Dockers, Object Manager. This will appear where you can group the objects together. I think by now you have seen all the topics. Thank you.